Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple quiz on our website. So first we are going to log in to the website. So first we are going to log in to the website using my account. Okay. Then we go to the dashboard by simply pointing on this and clicking on the dashboard. Then a new tab will open. Next, let's go to the QSM. Here, QSM. Then click on dashboard. Okay. Then after that, you have to click on create new quiz survey. There's a theme. You can set the settings, so you can type the name of the quiz, for example ICT quiz grade 11. Then form type quiz. You can put survey, simple form. So we put quiz. Then correct and incorrect. Then time limit, for example, we put 60 minutes. Then requires user login. And next. Okay, then create quiz. So here you can see that there are tabs or text box that you can type the first question. For example, our first question is, what is ICT? Then you can add answers here. So A, information and communication technology. Then add new answer, click add new answer. B, internet center technology. Add new answer. C, information class technology. Then technology. Then the last one, D, none above. Then don't forget to save questions here. Click. Then we add another question. By the way, you can add descriptions if you want. What do you want to add? Or you can add pictures also here, like add media. Later on I will show you how to add media to this quiz. Then when you're done with that, you can either create new page or click create new page, or you can just duplicate this one. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this one or clone there. So I will just gonna change the number, and then what is the name of this component there. Then I will add description, add media. This one, I will click this one, insert into post there. Then we add the questions. By the way, I forgot, if you want, you take the correct answer there. so that the computer will detect the correct answer. Then again, duplicate. This is number 2. So what is the name of this component? So we add a picture there, insert, suppose there, then we change the name here, keyboard, for example, keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and tick this one. Then add again, and you can duplicate this one, or we can remove this one here. Oh. Okay, so make sure that you save the question. So we'll delete this one. Okay, then we'll create another question. So just duplicate this one or clone there. So we'll put here number 3. Then our next question is what is the software used for presentation? Word processor, spreadsheets, PowerPoint, so click here, then save. Then another, so we will create 5 questions. Number 4, what is the name of this component? We add again a picture, for example, media, this one, insert. So this is CPU HDD. Save. So we check the other. To check the others, for example, we check number 3. Just click on the pencil, which is edit questions. Yeah, so that we can, okay, save. You can edit them. This one too. Edit. Save. Number 3. Delete. Save. Number 2. Okay. Number 1. Okay, so it should be number 2. description, add media, then save question. Then number 5, so we duplicate this one. Okay, then what is the what is the function? So if it is done, then now we have created 5 questions. Then we close this one. There, and we go to dashboard again. Then we go to QSM. Then quizzes and surveys. So here we see there are 2. Okay, there are 2. So we preview, let's see. There. So we can see the quiz ready and the timer starts at the top. So we set the timer for 60 minutes. So the quiz will last only for 60 minutes. Then what is ICT? Like for example, we click on here, A. Then what is the name of this component? Say monitor. What is the software used for presentation? So say spreadsheets. What is the name of this component? Say RAM. What is the function of computer mouse? Say to use for a cursor. Then click on submit. So here, after the quiz, it will show you if you have committed mistakes. Yeah. Actually, you can turn it off also. Okay, then we go back to here, just refresh, press enter. So we have 1 quiz already. So let's see who took the quiz by simply clicking here. Let's go back. View results. Clicking view results. So here we can see who took the exam or the quiz, then the email, and time taken. There. And the output also, or the score, 4 out of 5. So that's 80%. Okay. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Hope that this will add knowledge and will alleviate the suffering on computing grades and creating grades. Thank you very much. You can set the settings of your exam or quiz by simply clicking on the tabs. For example, for the questions, you will see all the questions down here. For the contact, you can add fields like name, so it should be required so that the student will add names. You can also have text, so options about text on what to do. Options, so under options you can change the type of quiz. Should be survey, so this time you will use quiz, correct or incorrect answers. You can use also points for both, allow score round off, show progress bar, requires user login, so that the user should be logged into the website. Then you can limit the time in 5 minutes, for submit when the time expires. Then attempts, so you can put 3 attempts possible. So if 3 attempts is already expired or done, then he or she will not be able to take the quiz or exam anymore. But if you put 1, then 1 attempt only, and so on. And there are other entries here, so you can also limit questions, etc. So you can explore. Okay, a lot more settings. Then save changes. So as you can see here, we go back to the quiz, ICT quiz grade 11. Let's check if let's just go here, then quiz survey, and ICT quiz preview. So it says that you have utilized all your attempts to pass this quiz, because we have put there as an option to as first attempt only, or 1 attempt only. If we add more attempts, then probably 3 attempts, then there will be 3 attempts. Okay, and also if we try this sample quiz, let's see, preview. Okay, so you have utilized also. Let's try to change it into 0, the settings, so that we can have a quiz. For example, edit this one, and we change the settings on the options on the number of attempts. So let's say 0. 0 means unlimited attempts. So save changes. So this is for the ICT quiz grade 11. So we go back here to QSM and questions, then we click review. There it allows us again to take the quiz. So my name is Hans. For example, my answer first is A, second is D, third is C, fourth A, fifth question is there. Then submit. So it will just going to display your score. Let's wait. So your score is 5, so we got a perfect score. Okay, then we can edit this one. Actually, if you want to display more, for example, we go to edit, like if you want to display on results page, you want to display others, not only the correct but also the questions and the answers. So you can use to add more displays on the results page. You can click on the insert template variables, because there are the pre-formatted variables that you can use. For example, we use questions, answers. Click that, copy, then press enter, or you can put it here, press enter, then paste it here, paste, then let us save the page, or save result pages. Then we go back to the tab. So remember that this ICT quiz 11, so we go to quizzes, QSM, quizzes, then we click this preview, then we take the quiz again. For example here, keyboard, PowerPoint, then submit. So it will give you the score, your score 3, and it will give you also the correct and wrong answers that you have committed there. So it's your option, but for me the score is enough so that they won't be able to pass it to others. Okay, so how do we give this to them? So we can copy the link actually. For example, if we click on here on this ICT, okay, wait, then we click on this link, Control C, copy, then we send it to, for example, the group chat of our students there. Then let's close this, and let us log out first, so that you will see that the student cannot take the quiz if he is logged out of the system. So he should be logged in. So let's try to click this one. So the page is not displayed. So what the solution is, he has to log in. So click log in, then there, mark ads, then automatically the quiz is there. So let's try to take a quiz again. There, monitor, PowerPoint, then submit. So we, okay, so our score is 4 and we have this, but to remove that we have to go to login first. To remove the questions and the answers, the correct answers, we have to go to the settings again of the output for the results. So we log in again and then go to the dashboard, then go to the QSM, then quiz surveys, then we click on edit, then we go to results page, then we remove this one, delete, then save, then let us take the quiz again. So let us take the quiz again. Okay, there. This is monitor, this is power point, this is RAM, this is cursor. Submit. So what you see is your score only. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.